हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम टॉप 100 पॉलिटी के एमसीक्यूज करेंगे। बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट और यूज़फुल वीडियो रहने वाली है, सो वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखिएगा। अगर आप कोई भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहें, क्योंकि आपको यहाँ पर टॉपिक वाइज एमसीक्यूज मिलेंगे सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमिक्स, जियोग्राफी, हर सब्जेक्ट के। उसके अलावा मैं बताता चलूँ, इस जो है ये वाली वीडियो में आपको हर जो है पॉलिटी के हर टॉपिक से आपको एमसीक्यूज मिलेंगे। सो वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखिएगा। चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, which of the following was adopted from Maurya dynasty in the emblem of government of India? Correct answer is answer D, chariot wheel was adopted from Maurya dynasty in the emblem of government of India. Next question, on whose recommendation was the Constituent Assembly formed? On whose recommendation was the Constituent Assembly formed? Correct answer is answer A, Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question, what type of election system is adopted in the election of Lok Sabha? Correct answer is answer A, regional representation system. Next question, which of the following word is not mentioned in the preamble of Indian Constitution? Correct answer is answer D, Indians. This means sovereign, socialist and democratic is mentioned in the preamble of Indian Constitution. Next question, K.M. Munshi was related to? Correct answer is answer A, Constitution Draft Committee. Next question, which year is related to Berubari case? Which year is related to Berubari case? Correct answer is answer D, 1960. Next question, what is true meaning of secular? Correct answer is answer A, all religions are equal in the eyes of government. Next question, the language of preamble of Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of? Language of preamble. Correct answer is answer C, Australia. Next question, which of the following is called mini constitution? Correct answer is answer B, 42nd constitutional amendment is also called as mini constitution. Next question, the idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of? concurrent list का आइडिया बताना है किस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की? So correct answer is answer C, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. आइडिया ऑफ concurrent list कहाँ से लिया गया है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से. Next question, 7th schedule is concerned with? Correct answer is answer B, partition of powers between center and states. Next question, what is not taken from British Constitution in the Constitution of India? Correct answer is answer C, fundamental rights. Next question, which article of Indian Constitution deals with constitutional amendments? Correct answer is answer C, Article 368 deals with constitutional amendments. Next question, in which of the following amendment the term of Lok Sabha increased from 5 to 6 years. Correct answer is answer B, 42nd Amendment. Next question. Which constitutional amendment reduced the voting rights from 21 to 18 years? Correct answer is answer C, 61st Constitutional Amendment 1988 reduced the voting rights from 21 to 18 years. Next question. In which Constitutional Amendment Act गोवा was made a full-fledged state with a state assembly? मतलब इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट में गोवा को एक फुल फ्लेज्ड स्टेट बनाया गया था और उसके अलावा इसमें जो है स्टेट असेंबली भी दी गई थी। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है आंसर सी, 56th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1987। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In which part of Indian Constitution the Directive Principle of State Policy (DPSP) are mentioned? Correct answer is answer C, Part 4. Next question. The DPSP have been taken from the Constitution of. Correct answer is answer D, Ireland. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct about DPSP? Correct answer is answer B. Their nature is socialist. DPSP's nature is socialist. Next question. The Constitution of India adopted fundamental duties from the Constitution of. Correct answer is answer C, Russia. Next question. When fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of India? Correct answer is answer A, 1976. Next question. At present, how many fundamental duties are in the Constitution of India? Correct answer is 11. There are 11 fundamental duties in the Constitution of India. Next question. In the Indian Constitution, fundamental duties are given in which article? Correct answer is answer B, Article 51A. Next question. The fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of India in. Correct answer is answer A, 1976. Next question. Which of the following is not the fundamental duty? इसमें से आप ऑप्शन में से ही जो है गैस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऑप्शन में से ही दिखेगा आपको कि ये फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी नहीं हो सकती. करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर बी, टू ओबे द पेरेंट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट was passed to provide compulsory education to children between 6 and 14 years? एक बार फिर से पढ़ता हूँ. Which constitutional amendment act was passed to provide compulsory education to children between 6 and 14 years? Correct answer is answer C, 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. Next question. Which one of the following articles deals with appointment of Prime Minister and other ministers? Correct answer is answer C, Article 75. Next question. The Prime Minister is appointed by which one of the following? Correct answer is answer B, President. Next question. The total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister, shall not exceed. The total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister, shall not exceed. Correct answer is answer D, 15% members of Lok Sabha. Next question. Which one of the following are the powers of Supreme Court? Correct answer is आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. मतलब ओरिजिनल एंड एपिलेट जुरिस्डिक्शन भी है. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एडहॉक जजेस मतलब जो टेम्परेरी पीरियड के लिए होते हैं. जुडिशल रिव्यू भी है. तो ये सारे जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पावर्स में आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच आर्टिकल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया प्रोवाइड्स द कंपोजिशन एंड जुरिस्डिक्शन ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया? Correct answer is answer D, Article 124. Next question. The Supreme Court of India at present contains the following number of judges. Correct answer is answer B, 31 judges, including Chief Justice. Next question. What is the minimum age to be appointed as the Chief Minister of State? Correct answer is answer A, 25 years. Next question. Who determines the salary and allowances of Chief Minister? Correct answer is answer B, State Legislature. Next question. What is the minimum age for becoming a member of State Legislative Council? Correct answer is answer D, 30 years. Next question. How soon should the elections to be held in state after the end of emergency? Correct answer is answer C, 6 months. Next question. Speaker of Legislative Assembly surrenders his resignation to. Correct answer is answer D, Deputy Speaker. Next question. Who decides the salary and allowance of Speaker of Legislative Assembly? Correct answer is answer A, Legislature. Next question. What can be the maximum strength of members in the state legislature? Correct answer is answer B, 500. Next question. How many people of Anglo-Indian community can be nominated by the governor in the state legislative assembly? Correct answer is answer D, 1. Next question. What can be minimum strength of members in state legislature? Correct answer is answer C, 60. Next question. The term of state legislative assembly can be increased by parliament during the national emergency up to. Correct answer is answer B, 12 months. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution says that there shall be a President of India? Correct answer is answer C, Article 52. Next question. In which of the following article provision of national emergency is mentioned? Correct answer is answer B, Article 352. Next question. Impeachment of president can be initiated in. Correct answer is in either house of parliament. Next question. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution deals with the Constitution of Parliament of India? Correct answer is answer C, Article 79. Next question. How many number of members are nominated by President to the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is answer C, 12 number of members are nominated by President to the Rajya Sabha. Next question. Members of Election Commission are appointed by the... Correct answer is answer A, President of India. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution says that there will be an election commission in India? Correct answer is answer C, Article 324. Next question. The number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in Lok Sabha is... Correct answer is answer B, 79. Next question. The elections for Lok Sabha are held every... Correct answer is answer C, after 5 years. Next question. Which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in general elections by area? Correct answer is answer D, Chandni Chowk, Delhi is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in general elections. Next question. What is the minimum age to become member of Lok Sabha? Correct answer is answer C, 25 years. Next question. What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha envisaged by the Constitution? Correct answer is answer C, 552 members. Next question. Procedure for amendment of Constitution is taken from... Correct answer is answer C, South Africa. Next question. Emergency provisions in Indian Constitution is taken from... Correct answer is answer D, Germany. Next question. Who can remove the judge of Supreme Court? Correct answer is answer D, both Parliament and President, because President is also the part of Parliament. Next question. What is the current salary of Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Correct answer is answer C, 2.8 lakhs. Next question. Which of the following article talks about the establishment of Supreme Court? Correct answer is answer C, Article 124. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision of Finance Commission in India? Correct answer is answer B, Article 280. Next question. Election of members of Rajya Sabha is taken from... Answer B, Constitution of South Africa. Next question. The number of members of Rajya Sabha from states and union territories is... Correct answer is answer A, 238. Next question. Who the representative from states in Rajya Sabha is elected by? मतलब जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स होते हैं स्टेट्स के, उनको कौन इलेक्ट करता है राज्यसभा के लिए? करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर डी, elected members of state legislative assembly. Next question, which article of constitution says that council of states means Rajya Sabha shall not dissolute? मतलब आपको पता ही होगा कि लोकसभा जो है डिसॉल्व होती है, लेकिन राज्यसभा कभी डिसॉल्व नहीं होती। करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर ए, आर्टिकल 83। Next question, which article of Indian Constitution says that members elected by the President can't vote in the election of President? Correct answer is answer C, Article 55. Next question, High Courts issue writs under Article. Correct answer is answer D, 226. Next question, which was the first Indian state to establish the institution of Lokayukta? Correct answer is answer D, Maharashtra. Next question, who appoints the Lokayukta and Up-Lokayukta? Correct answer is answer A, Governor of States. Next question, when did the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013 came into force? Correct answer is answer A, January 2013. Next question, who has the right to decide that who will be included the list of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes? Correct answer is answer B, President. Next question, special provision to scheduled caste tribes and Anglo-Indians were originally made for up to. Correct answer is answer D, 1960. Special provisions जो हैं वो made for scheduled caste tribes and for 10 years until 1960, but this duration has been extended continuously, मतलब हर साल आफ्टर 10 ईयर्स, जब टाइम ख़त्म होता है 10 साल हो जाते हैं, कंटिन्यूसली इसको जो है एक्सटेंड किया जाता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू 95th अमेंडमेंट 2009 दिस प्रोविजन हैज़ बीन एक्सटेंडेड टिल 2020, लेकिन अभी तक इसको जो है एक्सटेंड नहीं किया गया क्योंकि फिर से जो कोरोना की वजह से जो है ये शायद डिले हुआ होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच आर्टिकल एनविसेजेस द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट्स? Correct answer is answer A, Article 338 deals with establishment of National Commission for Scheduled Castes. Next question, who selects the chairman and members of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission? Correct answer is answer B, the President. Next question, who has the right to set up a high court in any UT? Correct answer is answer C, Parliament. Next question, which of the following committee recommended for Panchayati Raj system in India? Correct answer is answer B, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Next question, which of the following article is related to Panchayati Raj? Correct answer is answer A, Article 243. Next question, how many posts are reserved for women at all levels in the Panchayati Raj system? Correct answer is answer A, 1/3. Next question, the parliamentary system of government in India is taken from. Correct answer is answer B, UK, United Kingdom. Next question, the salary and allowances of ministers of Government of India are determined by whom? Correct answer is answer D, Parliament. Next question, Who can extend the jurisdiction of High Court? Means powers of High Court. Correct answer is answer A, Parliament of India. Next question. On which ground a High Court judge can be impeached? Correct answer is answer C, both A and B, means proven misconduct and incompetence. Next question. Which of the following state does not have a High Court? Correct answer is answer A, Nagaland. Next question. Which article is referred as Jewel of Constitution? Answer Article 332. The Union list consists of answer 97 subjects. Keshavananda Bharati case was associated with answer fundamental rights. The power of Parliament can be enlarged by answer Parliament. Which act declared India as independent and sovereign state from August 15, 1947? Answer Indian Independence Act 1947. Government of India Act 1919 is also called as answer Montego-Chelmsford reforms. Which act made Governor General of Bengal to Governor General of India? Answer Charter Act of 1833. Preamble of Indian Constitution has been amended by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, which added 3 words. Answer Socialist, Secular and Integrity. Among 9 UTs, which 3 have representation in Rajya Sabha? Answer Delhi, Puducherry, J&K. Which article gives ordinance making power to President? Answer Article 123. Article 13 to 135 in Part 3 of Constitution deals with answer fundamental rights. Part 3 of Constitution is rightly described as Magna Carta. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो हमने कंप्लीट कर ली है। वीडियो अगर पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें ताकि बाकी लोगों तक भी ये जो है इन्फॉर्मेशन जो नॉलेज है वो पहुंच सके। उसके अलावा अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि जितनी भी नए वीडियोस आएंगी आप उनसे जो है अपडेटेड रहें। सो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अगली वीडियो में हम हिस्ट्री के MCQs करेंगे। चलिए फिर।